So my friends are visiting me from the UK. They're staying with us for a short while. You want to eat ice cream? Here you go, darling. So we haven't really been vlogging, but we've been to like Chinatown and Chatterjack Market, things like that. But today we've come on the hidden Bangkok boat tour, which we've done quite a few times, and we always really enjoy it. So we thought we'd come again. So I thought I'd just take a few little videos today. You're having a nice time?
Yeah!
You love being on the boat?
Yeah!
What's your favourite part?
Temple.
The temple? Wow! Beautiful, right? Look at the size of him! Big one! Oh, there's one on the steps as well. Fishies! Oh!
Look, you can take some. You do? Wonder what you think, right?
No, Aaron. Evelyn, don't eat them, babe. Good job.
I'll be no good.
We've stopped at the floating market and they're feeding their fish.
We're hungry today. I got 2 orange and 1 green.
2 orange and 1 green, go on then. Yeah, good throw.
Oh yeah, I can see the white one actually, the orange over there. He's like the odd one out. He's gone over there, he's gone under.
So many. So many little activities to do, like making bracelets, making boards. There's like little pop-up shops, there's food. Super cute. Good throw, Rosie. You want to go back on the boat?
On the train.
You want to go back on a train?
Yeah. On the swing too.
On the swing, oh, the swingy train. Let's see what else we can find here first.
Ice cream.
Oh, ice cream. Where are you off to? Ice cream. They've decorated like these little wooden plaques and stuck them on the bridge. So cute.
Look at that big pond.
It's a big pond.
Oh, this is nice. Maybe we all can take place with peace.
Ah, that's a nice one. This way, the gate's this way, darling. Show me your ice cream dance. Whoa, you've got the moves.
And more ice cream, ice cream.
What have you got, Daddy?
Mango sticky rice, Americano. Ready to go.
Living the dream. Come on, Rose, let's get back on our boat. We're going side to side because that other boat just went past us and it made the waves, didn't it? Just chilling, isn't he? Sunbathing? Is that a Baba one? See him? Bit gutted about the big Buddha, so we've seen this before and it's stunning. But it's under construction today, which I'm a bit surprised because it's quite new. But yeah, that's a shame. Lucy and Sean are having a lovely time there, aren't they? Oh, that's so cute. This one's under construction. What have you found? Your toys. Your little handbag. They're so cute. Oh yeah, see what's inside. Wow. What colour is it?
Oh, that's temple.
It's a temple, yeah. It's a reclining Buddha. Wow. Floating market selling souvenirs. We've come in a lock now so that we'll go out onto the River instead of being on the canals, and we have just crammed in. We're the last boat, everyone's shuffling along to fit us in. Can we squash in? Can you get in? Oh, bless you, Lusa. Wow, look at the city. There's Water Run. We've stopped at Water Run. Oh, there's a tree, you can't see it. Not sure if we're going to go in or not because it's super busy and super hot, but we've seen it from the outside. Chao Phraya River and Water Run. There's so many people having photo shoots in their Thai costumes, so cute. Someone just proposed. It's too cute. Rosie just wants some grass to play on. Oh, a man just came and gifted Evelyn some oranges. So cute.
Tutup resleting dan tutup tas dengan benar. Mohon untuk tidak duduk. Berdiri.
We've finished on our boat tour now. I've brought them to the gym with me. Good habits. Brought them to the gym. We're going to have a little swim.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. That's right. It's New Year's Eve, isn't it? We've just come to True Digital Park just to have a little walk around. Just to break the day up a bit, haven't we? We've just been playing on the swings. What have you got?
There's the thing.
Oh, there's the swings right there. What have you got in your hand?
A toy.
What is it?
It's Goofy.
It's Goofy.
It's Goofy.
Come on then, let's go. I love you.
Let's go to the super area.
Let's go to the super area. Come on then.
The super area.
You want to go to the super area? Come on then, let's see what we can find. It's like a co-working space in here, and then they have like a few little restaurants and things. It's super cool. Huh? We're walking. Evelyn likes this interactive floor pad. Ah, she spotted it. Off you go. And there's a library upstairs as well. Yeah, it's super cute, and it's always quiet in here, which is a win-win. Christmas themed. There's so many random cool things in here. Look at that, Evs. Is that a car?
No.
No, what is it?
They're making a box.
It's making a bus.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Ah. They're Stop it. Stop it. Come in.
Look, I have an astronaut.
This is super.
What's the super area, darling? You want to find a super area? And goes the sky train. Huh? Yeah, do you want to go run on the grass? There's the temple. Can you see the temple? Oh, Daddy has to race with you. On your marks.
Go.
This short walk resulted in Daddy buying Mummy a new ring. Thanks, Dada. We've just stopped for a little Italian lunch because Evelyn's a pasta lover. What did you order?
Carbonara.
Again.
Oh, now it's working.
And
Daddy,
she's
it's
demanded that Daddy makes paper aeroplanes out of tissue.
Yeah.
It's working. It's working.
It's working, it's working.
Trying, but it's not going to be very good.
New Year's Eve lunch. I've got a chicken and avocado sandwich, oops, which I've just dropped. We've got some carbonara and some bolognese. We had some soup to start. Is it yummy? Ev's having some screen time. Sorry, not sorry. We can't go anywhere without using these claw machines. Do you need some help, darling? There's your coins.
Yay.
We're just home and doing some New Year crafts. And then we're going to have an early night.
They're gone. They're gone to holidays.
No, they'll be back in the morning, baby.
Where?
Our friends have gone out for New Year's Eve. And Evelyn's upset. They'll be back tomorrow. They'll be back in the morning, darling.
I don't want them to come back to Mama.
You
I
missing?
want them to come here again.
They'll come here again, darling. So yeah, as I was saying, they've gone out for New Year's Eve, but we just wanted to stay home. Ev's still a little bit too young to go and watch the fireworks and stuff, so we're just going to stay home as a family, aren't we? Yeah, so we're just going to spend New Year's Eve at home, so I hope you all have a lovely New Year's Eve, whatever you're doing, and Happy New Year, everybody.